fine.
Oh, Maria, you have to go with me. I have to buy something.
Okay, sure.
Let's go.
The difficult lessons in life tend to come when you least expect them. I guess I should have realized that these things come unexpectedly, but it still hurts. We may be hurt by lovely people sometimes without fully understanding why. Maybe the story they're writing for their lives is different. I may never know the reason, and I just have to be okay with that.
I'll just wait for them. Oh my god. That was a good lunch.
Yes, I was so full.
Trying again that food. Wait. I think I forgot something. Or someone. Jesa!
Friendship is a beautiful thing. Something we often take for granted. Like any kind of relationship, it may have its ups and downs.
Hey, Jesa! So we're so sorry. We didn't mean to do that. So sorry. Don't worry. Let's just have snack together. Let's go.
No, it's okay. I'm ready. By the way, I will have to go now.
Wait. I think Jesa is excited.
Did we need to say sorry for her?
I don't know. We didn't mean it, right?
Yes.
It's just so tiring having an emotional friend. What about texting?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Oh, she's online.
Oh, someone just texted me.
But at the end of the day, of our relationship which we indulge in, friendship is the purest of them all.
Jesa! We're very sorry about yesterday. We didn't mean to do that. But right now, let's just enjoy the day, okay? Go.